Do your clients leave your dropshipping store without making any purchase? One of the main reasons could be your product page appearance. In this video, I will show you how to make your product page look professional and trustable. Hello everyone! We share AliExpress dropshipping tips on our channel. My name is Anna and I will tell you the secrets our dropshipping team learned from our actual experience, and we are sure they work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss a single video. And today we will show you how to make the most convertible product page that looks professional and catchy. Let me show you two product pages in comparison and give you some useful tips. You should understand that if the product name, description and image gallery aren't edited, you get an absolutely ridiculous product page that doesn't motivate store visitors on making any purchases. I will explain everything using our web store product pages. Most of our dropshipping stores work on WordPress, and we use AliDropship plugin to import products from AliExpress. Even if you use a different platform or plugin, this video will be very useful. Look at these two product names. A good product name should be readable and short, without any extra words you might see on AliExpress. Use searchable keywords in the title. Keyword Planner will help you with that. Product name is important for SEO optimization as well. Don't leave the original AliExpress permalink. It will be generated automatically when you delete the previous one and put the tick while editing your products. You can also exclude number of types or colors, because it can be changed in the future. Be careful and inventive with your description. Try to use your customer's language. It's better when you keep the same writing style on all of your product pages. And of course, check for grammar and spelling mistakes. Do not include any images in the product description field. It will bring a touch of comfortable minimalism to your store. All photos of an item should be displayed in the gallery and variation sections. Try to make your size charts look awesome and stylish. You can create all your charts in tablesgenerated.com. Check the link in the description or on the screen. Use the type of metric system that your potential clients use. For example, we try to put both centimeters and inches in all of our size charts or bullet points. What about our gallery? Our customers shouldn't see any extra text or AliExpress store logos. As long as I use AliDropship plugin, I can delete this logo at once using Image Editor. It's a built-in feature designed to make changes to product images in AliDropship extension while importing items and directly from WordPress admin panel. Once you see the editor icon, click on the icon to start editing. You can also change the image ratio and size. Don't forget to save your changes. In the SEO section, you can put extra keywords for your product. Search for them in Keyword Planner. Be careful with your product categories. No t-shirts in the slippers category, and if you have only thematic categories like puppies and kittens, try to add your product categories like t-shirts and hoodies and mugs. So, this will make your store more convenient for your customers. Avoid suspicious number of orders, especially in new arrivals category. Can you believe that it's possible for an item from the new arrivals category to already have more than 100 orders? The inconsistency between the number of product orders and its availability period seriously hurts the store's trustability. Make sure that your discounts are reasonable. Discounts and special offers are one of the most common elements of pricing strategy, aimed at generating more sales. 78% discount is certainly a good deal, but seriously, who would believe that this item originally costs $79.49? Online shoppers can't trust a store that manipulates them so obviously, and such price games can seriously damage the seller's reputation. I can advise you to keep in mind or in your notes a common price range for products you sell. Since I use AliDropship plugin, I have imported not only products but also reviews. This is a built-in feature of the plugin, but you can do it manually or use another tool for importing. Having your reviews imported, try to look them through. The plugin works with the most accuracy, but some untranslated misspelled words and negative feedback could occasionally sneak in. For example, reviews might mention product funny smell, shipping delays, errors in sizing. The more pictures you put in your reviews, the more loyal your customer will be. Don't forget to update your reviews from time to time. The better your product page is, the more purchases you get from your dropshipping store. After such a product page optimization, our profit grows and we show better results. Now it's your turn to start earning more. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button below. Your support is really important for us. If you have questions, leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!